Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make a video call or audio call in Google Chat. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open our Google Chat application on our phone. And after we have our Google Chat application opened, we can select an account that we want to call. And you can search for the account right here on the search button. But you can also select an account from your chat. And for example, I'm just going to call this account. So we can tap on the account until the room chat opened. Then you can tap on this phone button or phone icon if you want to make an audio call. And if you want to make a video call, you can tap on this video call button. And that's so easy, right? And alright guys, that's how we can make a video call or audio call in Google Chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.